That drivetrain malfunction warning just appeared on your BMW. Don't panic. Most of the time, the car is just protecting itself, not breaking down. This warning shows up when the system detects something abnormal and reduces power as a precaution. Here's a simple way to try fixing it without a scanner. Turn the engine off and let the car sit quietly for about 5 minutes. Then restart it and see if the warning clears. You'd be surprised how often that alone works. If it stays on, check the battery condition. BMWs are very sensitive to voltage, and a weak or aging battery can trigger drivetrain warnings even if the car still starts. If you recently replaced the battery or jump-started the vehicle, the system may just need a short drive to recalibrate. After restarting, drive normally for a few minutes. Keep it smooth, no aggressive acceleration. This helps the sensors relearn stable readings. If the car feels slightly rough or hesitant, it could be a minor misfire from a spark plug or ignition coil. Sometimes the warning disappears after the engine runs steadily again. Now, the important part: if the car goes into limp mode with very limited power, or the warning comes back immediately after every restart, it's no longer a temporary glitch. But in many cases, it clears after a proper restart, stable voltage, and normal driving. This fix works on most BMW models. Let me know in the comments, is your BMW driving normally, or is it in limp mode? Tell me your model and year, and I'll guide you step by step.